Hey guys, come join me. Let's cook. So today, I have a question. By the way, first of all, contact lens and glasses. Which one is best? Which one is best? What do you think? Which one is best to use between contact lens and your normal glass? Which one is okay? Which one do you think is best to be used? Yeah, today we are going to be making stew. Come join me, let's make some stew. Some stew, 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 stew. Alright, let's head into the kitchen. This stew, please, if I'm making it, don't judge. Thank you. So guys, about that contact lens, what do you think? Using a contact lens or a normal glass, a normal eyeglass? Because I don't know if it's just me. In some ways, I just feel contact lens, should I say, they cause more harm than good, or I don't just feel contact lens, using contact lenses, to me I don't feel so, because the constant removing and wearing back, the poking in your eyes just to fix it, just to remove it, I just feel it's just not worth it. And then if you don't keep it well, or clean it properly, you don't store it well, you are likely to endanger your eyes more than even saying you are saving your eye from any harm. So I don't know, that's just my take actually. Like, that's my take. I prefer normal glasses. Well, I'm not saying those using contact lenses shouldn't use it, though. I just feel, how I just feel, how do you really, does it not disturb you, like always having to put your hand in your eye to get out something and to put it back? So I just want to make a quick stew. I don't know how every other person make their own. I'm not teaching anybody how to cook. I'm just making stew for myself, please. In the name of God, I beg of you. People that hold blender like this while blending, what is the need for it? Well, I think you should just know your type of blender to know if you have to like hold it and blend or not. Just like me now, I really don't need to hold my blender to blend, but I've used some blender that you really need to, your palm need to be on it. If not, whatever you are blending is going to like spill out from it. Guys, am I the only one that desire a particular taste of food before making it? Like, there is how you want this food to taste and the type of aroma you want this food to have. Like, you have all this in mind before coming to cook the food. Like, that is my question. Like, do you desire like a aroma of food, a taste of food before coming to make that food, or you just make the food as the spirit lead, wherever the spirit leads us to. Anyhow the food comes out, you are going to eat it. I think I'm in both category. Sometimes I just come to cook, sometimes I desire this taste of food,